What's up, everyone? Today we are keeping it simple and incredible fast. My main goal for this session is pure high speed on Velocidrone. I know I will hit pylons and even hit the ground. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I just started in front of the line, the pink line. That's a new thing. I made many calibrations, but I wasn't really able to start like this. And now today I just started. That's a good thing. I don't know why, but anyway, it's fine. It's good. The main goal is always to try to go through the pylons. I don't want to go externally as here. The thing that I want to do is to go through the pylons in the middle, and it is even better for me if I can go lower than the black band on the yellow pylons. I'm trying. It's not really easy. I'm not quite able to control the quad as I want. And if you see my sticks in the middle, at the bottom of the screen in the middle, yeah, I'm pushing the throttle and giving even the pitch. It seems like I'm pushing too much the pitch. That's what I think. I'm not very sure that it should be like this, but yeah, I have some speed. That's not bad, but as I was saying, I'm not quite able to go through the pylons and to stay at a lower altitude. So I have to every time correct my attitude, lower it down a little bit, and by doing that I will miss some pylons like here too. So here also, and I hope I won't hit the ground. That's good. I succeeded to turn. Yeah, if you see also my turns are not quite well. I don't really do it correctly. I know that I have to play with the yaw and the pitch, but every time when I do it, I will do it. Sometimes I will succeed, sometimes I will hit the ground. So for now I'm still succeeding to turn, but when I turn I will always end up in high altitude, so I will have to lower down again a little bit the throttle to be able to go to the pylons. I don't want to go above the pylon like too high. I want to be in the middle where the black band is. That will be great, but as you see, I'm not always able to go through the pylons. Sometimes we miss them, sometimes we go through one and then the next one I won't really be able, and every time I will end up in high altitude. I will be higher than the pylons themselves, and yeah, that's not bad. Or I just started. I'm a beginner, as you know, so this is a little improvement compared to the other video, compared to the session number 4. This is an improvement. I'm still able to fly without like hitting the ground or hitting too much the pylons. I will go above the pylons, that's true, even though it's not the main goal. The main goal is to go through the pylons, but I'm flying somehow. I'm able to fly and to keep to not hit the ground every time. So here, for example, I think I'm pushing too much the pitch. I think so. I don't know if it is normal that I don't know if I need to go so far. I tried last time to recalibrate my sticks and maybe even to give even the throttle. The way that my throttle feels very loose, so I have to hold the stick with 2 fingers and to even be able to control, as you see. Or here, for example, I just hit the ground because I wasn't able to correct my attitude, to keep my attitude. Yeah, but yeah, that's my difficulty now. The throttle feels very loose. I have sometimes to push too much the pitch. I don't know if I should do that. So it is quite difficult to keep some level, to keep an attitude. But here, for example, I wasn't able to go through the pylons. I'm still trying to go to the other one, but I cannot. Like, I have to. No, that's not good. Yes, but hopefully I won't hit the ground. No, that's fine. I'm still able to fly. Yeah, I think if someone see me flying now, he will think that hey, I'm doing quite well, but not really, because the way that I'm flying right now is not quite exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to fly through the pylons. I wanted to follow the pink dot that you see on the floor, on the land. Uh, and I wanted to be able to turn without hitting the ground. Here, for example, it's difficult, and I just hit the pylons. Yeah, that's not good. Also, I press the R key to restart. I'm still straight in front of the pylons. That's good. That's something. So let's restart again. Oh, I'm drifting a little bit. I'm hitting the ground too. On the simulator, it's not bad, but if it is a real in a real life with a quad, it won't be correct. So that's good. I'm able. What I was, I hit the ground. Oh yes, I wasn't really able to keep some attitude here. That's fine. I'm able to go. But hopefully I won't hit the ground again. Yeah. I just did it. Not easy. I have to learn how to turn again. That's one of my difficulty. I'm not really able to turn. And also, like here, I hope I won't hit the pylons. No, I succeeded to cross, but I'm not sure that the next one will be easy. Yes, we hit the ground. No, let's go. Yes, that's fine. I'm lucky on this one. But oh, I wasn't able to cross as I wanted. And oh yeah, now I have to come back. Oh no, I hit the pylons. Yeah, not too good. Not too good. Hopefully, after many session of practice. So I was saying, after many session of practice, probably I just hit the pylons. That's not great. That's not the good things. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I want. Let's press the R key and restart again. We are starting again straight, exactly where we want. That's good. I just cross these pylons. That's good. Hopefully I won't hit the pylons. Yeah, nah. That's it for today. If you have tips for beginners, drop them in the comment. I will really appreciate it.